Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
That Down syndrome. That girl.
Hi, baby.
Some of them don't have it as bad. They just have the. You can tell that they do have it, but they don't have it.
Hey, it's Elmo. It's Elmo. My favorite. Ooh. I didn't do it. Uh-oh. Yeah, no smoking in the house. Woo! You okay, cutie? It's probably numbnuts. Hi, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. 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 Woo! You okay, cutie?
Oh, he's right here. He wants to talk to you about something.
Going to Laconia?
Yeah.
Ask him if he wants to go.
No, he wants to talk to you. I'm going to let you talk to him because he's got a good question for you.
Ew.
Okay? There he is. We'll see ya.
Yeah. I thought maybe you'd like to, if you and Lisa want to go half on a cottage in Weirs Beach
Oh, okay.
for Laconia.
Oh, I thought you meant Sean.
You know what the price is for a 3-bedroom?
I'm sure you can find a better one.
Take a wild guess. Not bad deal. $8,000 a week. I'm not kidding you, Eric. Not all of them are like that. No.
Hi, baby.
One of them is
Hi, baby.
$1,995. Another one was $8,000 for 1
Hi,
week
baby.
for a 3-bedroom
Hi,
apartment.
baby.
That's not what I said.
Alex, come here, cutie. Come here, cutie.
I could not believe it. I went online to.
What are you doing? Cutie.
I looked up.
Hi, baby.
I looked at that. I rubbed my eyes and looked again. I said, they gotta be stupid or nuts. I don't know. I'm not kidding you. That's exact 1 week rent.
Hi, baby.
Apartment. And
Hi, baby.
motel unit is $19.95 in a suite.
Hi, baby. Ow.
Some places did, yes. Wicked. And there's they range anywhere. Tower Hill is the cheapest I found. $595 for the week. They're the cheapest. Cottages at Tower Hill. They're the cheapest.
Hi, baby.
And they have cottages up to, I think the most expensive
Careful, cutie.
But some of the real things.
Peekaboo, cutie. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, cutie. Ow.
She's been working quite a bit lately.
Ow. Oh, cutie.
The bar and
Say hi to all your friends. Say bye-bye.
like I got.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. How much do you pay?
Wave, cutie.
I gonna say, 'cause mine was around 70-something.
Wave, cutie. La la. La la.
When it comes in.
Wave.
No, that's what you let me know how you. I actually. I haven't used mine since I used the part where you put stuff in. Not the. I haven't used the bottle. I brought the bottles in, washed them and everything. But I don't know. Somebody told me that they thought you get the taste of the plastic of the bottle. Now, whether you do or not, or anything, I don't know. I have no idea. But, whatever.
Bless you. Hold on tight, cutie.
You know what? It doesn't really matter what words you use because they all mean the same thing.
Yeah, that's true.
Someday you'll be able to get your wee-wee and your woo-woo into the party every time.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Gordon. When exactly?
Hey, cutie. Bye, baby.
Everybody's different.